Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
So since we are talking about crypto, the big question is if we're bullish, right? If things holds out for Bitcoin, are we going to see an altcoin season? Or has the past few months been the altcoin season? Because arguably coins like Cardano, AVAX, Solana has been pumping, right? It broke all-time highs. So are we going to see altcoin season coming up? Like Q4 typically has been where Bitcoin outperforms the rest of the market. If you look back in the charts, if BTC, you will see it happen all the time, right? 2016, 2017, 2018, right? 2020, right? 2019, yeah, 2019 too, right? So will it be different this time? Will we see an altcoin rally in Q4 this time? I'm biased towards no, we're not going to see an altcoin rally. We're going to see Bitcoin outperform altcoins. But in my head, there's this small percentage, maybe about 10-20% chance that if it's the end for the crypto market, it's the final hurrah, then we will see some parabolic moves coming to alts. And then for the crypto markets to dump off before the Fed's announcement of their taper in maybe late December or December, right? So let's see what happens. I hope the party continues for a bit more, maybe into Q1, Q2 2022. Yeah, that is the happy path in my head. But other things will happen. So let's see.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.